Is he just drinking?
So, I don't know if he's drinking or if he's catching the fish I put in there. I'm not. Oh look, he wants to hop in there. I told you I have to fill up that pool for him.
Yeah.
There's Poopy head, love. Poopy! Stop attacking the chicken, Poopy! That chicken's going to peck him. Poops! Poopy is such a naughty guy. That egret's still over there. Good, he's hunting fish, honey. That's got to be better than flies and chicken food.
Yeah.
Poopy's in the...
In the lawnmower basket.
Yeah, he's in the lawnmower basket. Poopy, stop being an idiot! He's just swooping the chicken, love. Told you he would. He's such a troublemaker. Poopy! Oh well, it's enough of my shaking hand, isn't it?